Escambia County administrators, and welcome to another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. My name is Jennifer Bauer, and today I'm going to be covering new changes and updates when it comes to printing report cards within Focus. After watching today's video, you're going to have a clear understanding of the new changes with letterhead templates when printing report cards and how it's going to make your job easier. In addition, we're going to view how to update your school report card message and how to apply additional filters when using the new search. When it comes to adding or modifying a report card message for your school, only the administrator or data specialist can make those changes. The school message is limited to 800 characters, and if you exceed that limit, the system will generate blank pages, and longer messages may require duplicate pages to be printed. So please be mindful of this, and always make sure that you're verifying your school message before printing report cards. When adding or modifying the school report card message in Focus, you're going to go to Setup, then School Information. Select the General tab, and then scroll down until you locate the school report card message. If you have changes, go ahead and make those and select Save. If no changes are needed, you're good to go, and you can move on to printing. To navigate to the report card screen, you're going to go to Grades and then Report Cards from the portal homepage. You can use the student search to print for an individual student, multiple students, or leave it blank to search for all students. You also have the ability to add additional filters by selecting more search options. With the new search, you will click the button to view additional filters. Let's go ahead and filter by 9th grade students. Next, you want to select the appropriate letterhead template. While you no longer have to review the template settings, it's important that the correct template is selected so that the grade data and comments are pulled accurately. We've created templates for each quarter, so pay close attention to the template name. At the elementary level, it's still quite common to print report cards. If printing, make sure to select Sort by Homeroom Teacher and select the checkbox next to Display this teacher on each report card for easier distribution. Once you've made those selections, click Continue. When you're on this screen, you'll notice that Print is selected by default. So you'll go ahead and select the checkbox at the top to select all, or select just an individual student if needed. You'll click Print, and the system will generate a PDF of the report card. You'll want to download the PDF to your computer, save it, and then return to Focus. Just like that, you're up to date with the latest report card changes. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to subscribe to get notified when new content's released.